Today I'm going to show you how to remove the spring off your mop bucket wringer, and that's this one right here. Usually this breaks, and I'll show you a new one, how it looks. This is how the new one looks. It has a long piece that usually breaks, and it goes, let me show you exactly the orientation, how it goes. It goes this way. If you notice, the hook goes right back here, and the long part goes down behind the bucket. Now, in order to replace this piece, you need to move this whole bar over to the left so you can slide this off. Now, what prevents it is this piece right here, so you can't move it over. So the only way you can clear that is you got to lower the handle, and these parts here prevent that from working. So you need to remove this bar, this whole assembly. So I'm going to show you what I use. It's a channel lock. It's already been loosened, but I just want to show you on purpose, for the purpose of demonstration. You just get the vice grip and you pry it until it pops out. And the whole thing drops. Once you do that, now you have clearance to bring the handle down. See? Now you can clear this part to the left. Now, the thing that's preventing me is because the bucket is still in here. But if you take the wringer out, alright, there you go. The handle drops further down, and now, as you can tell, that piece cleared right here. Now I can move the whole thing over, see? Just enough, as you can tell, to slide that piece off. So all I need to do is get something to pry it out. See, I'm just doing it by my hand. And you can slide it out. I'm just doing it with one hand. Let me see if I can get it out. Alright, I got it out. See? Lift it up, slide it over, do what you gotta do. I'm trying to do it with one hand. Okay, there you go. All you gotta do is tilt it out. Bear with me. Sorry for the interference there. I'm getting it out, as you can tell. Come on. This is a good time to have a cameraman with you. Alright. It's getting there. How about if I use a hammer? Nope. How about if I use a channel lock? That would work too. Just grab it some more. It's not coming out. There you go. Come on, get out already. Alright, knocked it out. Alright, this is the bad piece right here. Okay. Now, in order to put this one back on, make sure you put it in the right direction, the right orientation. That's the way it goes. I'm going to slide it back in again. Try to use the camera and put it in at the same time. Pretty difficult. So what I'm trying to do is just slide it over. Okay, there you go. That one went in better. Okay, I was able to get it on. Now slide it in, get it underneath where it belongs. There you go. It's right where it belongs. See, right behind that piece back here. Now this is the tricky part. You got to get this piece back here. And the way I do it is I use the channel lock again. I grab it right here, and as you can tell, I can bend it over. Now the way you do this, as you're doing this, you have to get it right in here. So there's a lot of tension on here. So that's why you need that piece. You bring it down as far as you can to slide it in here while you lift this up, or move it out of the way as much as you can. And as you have it down there, then you start lowering it down and snap it into place. And reverse everything the way I showed you. Bring this bar back up, put it where it belongs, which is right here, and you could just tap it in with a hammer and everything goes back into place. It's just that you need 2 hands to do it. It seems longer on this video, but it should take you more than 10 minutes to do this. I hope this helps.